Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact the customer service in the Flink app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Flink app. On the top right corner you will see this profile icon. Tap on it, and if you scroll down here you will see contact customer service. Tap on it, tap on send us a message, and here you have to answer a question. How can we help you today? You have to select the subject in what you would use a help, for example a delivered order or account issue, opening times, problem with the app, or you just want to feedback for the Flink team. And by tapping on that subject, just tap on the subject, you will open the conversation with the customer service. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.